Man, that's good smelling wood right there, bro.
Yeah, isn't it? That's a campfire waiting to happen. All right.
All right, so it's day 3, late morning, a couple hours later than we wanted the axles, but that's okay because they arrived, they look great. We can start installing. What do you think?
Let's do it. We got to get all the parts from the Dana 30 Knuckles onto this one. We'll get this under the Jeep, and then we'll finish the suspension install.
That's right. So, like I said, we're only a couple hours behind today. Still looking really good to finish off maybe some suspension by the end of the day.
Hopefully we can get the thing sitting on its wheels by today.
All right, so let's get busy. Let's get busy!
And so on.
Sorry.
You know, I come to enjoy wiring now. Don't bother me. Just do my thing. So let's make sure everything works. Key on. Oh yeah, they work. Let there be light. Bam, son. All right, we're good.
Ready, son?
Yep. Perfect. There we go.
Man, you guys are freaking awesome.
Christian power. Down.
How's that?
Closer. These are the good Spicer cold forged 760 XU joints. So yeah, this is a great, huge upgrade over what's in there now. So awesome. We just got to put the outers on and wrap her up. As soon as the paint dries.
How's it fit? Fits good. Fits like almost like it came that way.
It's tight. Bazinga. Watch your eyeballs. All right, it's that time we've all been waiting for.
You put it in first, bottom or top?
Doesn't really matter. There you go.
Okay.
You get your lower in?
Yeah. You know, I don't do a lot during the day, but man, when these guys leave, I bust into full-time
When
action.
the long knives come out.
Yeah. And man, I'm here until at least 4 in the morning.
So these are the factory TJ rear upper control arm mounts. The rear control arms on the MetalCloak links are much larger and beefier than the factory upper control arms, so you need these wider upper control arm brackets that MetalCloak supplies. So we're gonna have to cut these off, and before we do that, we're gonna orient this. We'll take an angle measurement off of here. So when we place these new ones on, we'll get them the same angle that they need to be. We'll tack them on and burn them in. Okay, I'm going by the track bar bolt hole here, dude. 11 inches to center.
Okay.
All right, hit it. Right there, good. Just leave that tack on there now and we'll double check the measurements. That looks about right, correct? You get the track bar,
It
yes.
actually looks pretty good.
Okay, let's go weld this sucker.
Let's do it. Let's do it!
And sit about like that in the vehicle.
Oh boy. You trying to buy me out?
That one's good.
Yeah.
We're just gonna have to eventually like get this at ride height rotated up. So this is basically in line from wherever that pinion or wherever that CV comes in. So we're gonna have to raise this a good quite a bit.
Never mind.
There we go. Able to go over more, let's just ratchet strap that sucker in there.
All right, big ratchet. No way, bro.
And the human hammer. Okay, do we have a...
This side needs to come down.
Come down?
Yeah, this side does.
No, just fork it in place. Fork monkey it in place.
There you go.
Monkey, go!
Hold on.
Let my finger out of the way.
Go!
I'm sorry, you're trying to knock my teeth out.
Don't make me laugh.
You're trying to knock my teeth out,
Hold
boy.
There we go.
Just tell me when you want me to do work.
Yeah.
Good work, son.
You know what I did?
What you do? Put them in upside down?
Pretty sure I did. Pretty sure I did.
Ready?
Take, go!
Let's go!
Yippee!
So I don't know now.
Oh, let's
13, yeah, so if we use 2 pucks,
2?
we can use 3 and be safe.
Okay.
You want these to bottom before the shocks do, so that's our goal here.
Okay.
Okay. Can we go down?
Yes, sir.
Okay, put the locks in so they lock in. There you go, and going down. All right, so we're wrapping up day 3, and we're about where we should be. Less a couple things up front, and Christian, what's going on?
Well, yeah, the factory bump stops literally fell apart when we took them off of this thing. We just plain forgot to order new ones. So we went to the local off-road store. We bought the only pair they had in stock, and we ordered more. They're gonna be in tomorrow morning. So we'll get those thrown up in there. We'll put the MetalCloak springs in, install our new heavy-duty steering system that we bought, and get the track bar in, and then the front suspension should be more or less wrapped up. We'll get the EBC brakes put on here, and then we can turn our attention to the bushwhacker flares and the Pro Car seats, and then hopefully get this thing down and finally measured for drive shaft.
Yeah.
I mean, that's gonna be a little time suck.
Yeah, so we're about maybe an hour, hour and a half off where we should be. The biggest thing of today was cutting all the rear brackets off and re-welding everything back on. Took a little bit of time just with all the geometry and making sure all the angles were right, but they're done. Rear end's completely wrapped up, so less than a couple of brake lines will be all right, and come back tomorrow morning.
Get to it again.
Yep, so tune in.